Stuck with the WinCore IO library version 11 DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we start the WinCore IO library version 11 manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the WinCore IO library version 11, a foundational API Set Shim that bridges input and output, input-output, control codes, and localized device handshakes to the system kernel. It facilitates communication with disks, ports, and external peripherals. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scannow. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as WinCore IO library version 11 DLL. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the WinCore IO library version 11 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Be aware that manual interventions for WinCore IO library version 11 DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes WinCore IO library version 11 references. If your workstation is back online and WinCore IO library version 11 is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.